Hello from Slovenia again. I will play today with this thing. You see that you got if you order pizza, and I put one like this, and I will put another one on top, and I will do a straight pour on this canvas and hopefully get some nice effects out of it. Let's see what will happen. I will start with this iridescent blue-green, and I will add some white layers between. A little white, and what do I want next? I will add this iridescent precious gold from Pebeo, and of course I will put all the colors and brands into the description box. And this metallic cobalt blue and some white again, and Amsterdam permanent blue violet and some white again. And I will add this Pebeo iridescent blue-green again, and some white and gold and some white and metallic cobalt and white, purple again and white. I needed some break from those red flowers, so I will do some other techniques too, but I did 4 in a row, so I need some break in colors and technique and everything, because it just became too how can I say, boring to do flowers one day after each other. So maybe I should add another shade of purple, I don't know. I will end up with a little white, just to wipe this a little bit. Not that it will be clean long, but okay. And I will do a straight pour here in the middle, and then I will see what will happening. Let's spin this a little bit while I'm doing this. I will try to do some rings, because maybe it will look nicer. I don't know. Mina would say fantasy pour, because I do rings and straight pour again. I will thin down my white a little bit and pour it around. While this paint flows off. Okay. I think that I added too much white, but it's always when you try some technique for the first time, you don't know. So let's leave this. And I was thinking that maybe, where is my torch? I will rack it, but for now I will just torch for the air bubbles real quick. I lost a lot of gold. I hope that it will show a little bit, but I will leave it. I will just try to show you a little closer, because I like this pattern here, so I will try to leave it like this for now. Not for now. If I don't rack it right now, I will not be able to rack it afterwards, but I don't know, I want to leave that. And let's spin. Definitely I had enough paint for covering my whole canvas without adding my white. I want to stretch this a little more. just a little more. I have to buy a new spinner. What I think that my problem here was, probably I should add a little more contrasting colors, but I just grabbed the palette that I really love to gather always, and because of this iridescent blue-green and this turquoise, not turquoise, cobalt, metallic cobalt blue, I think that it will look quite interesting when it will be dry. So see, this was the thing in the middle that stopped me from wrecking, and I kind of love this. See this? And some really weird patterns because of those stands, or how can I say, on this pizza thing. Or maybe I shouldn't have had some white between all the layers. I love these gold feathers here. So interesting. And see a lot of very, very interesting details. Definitely when I did ring pours, create better patterns than just with the straight pour, I believe. But after all, I will say that it's interesting, and my favorite part is here with those feathers. So worth to try again, I think. Different, definitely different, but still I find this painting interesting. So maybe next time just with one, not with two. See what will happen. But so many interesting details. I will say that I like it. It will definitely find a place in my studio. I would really like to know what you think about this. Should I try with those stands, play with those some more? Tell me in the comments, and see you on the next one. Bye!